Hello there. So this is how to sign up to github.com. So first thing you need to do is just open up your browser and then go to github.com. And then once you're inside the website, you can just type in your email right here. So let me just type it in. And then click on sign up for GitHub. You could also do that by clicking on the sign up button right here at the top right corner, but I'll just do it from here. So I'll just sign up for GitHub. And it just pre-fills my email for me in the sign up page. So I'll click on continue. Then I just need to create a password. Okay, good password. Then I just need a username. Let's say 231, for example. Yep. And then click on continue. Then you need to verify that you're a human, that you're not a robot. So just click on verify. And then I'll just do this verification real quick. All right, we all good. Not for now. Then it's going to send you a code on your email. So you just need to check that code and enter it. Here we go. And now I can just sign into GitHub. All right, so once you enter your email and your password, you're just going to be inside your account. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope that video is helpful.